So welcome back guys, my name is Amlan and in today's Make Noise Free campaign we go about looking at how we can use dual apps on an MI phone. It's quite possible that you are having an MI device and you want to use two instances of WhatsApp or two instances of Instagram or Facebook perhaps. So how do you go about doing that? So here I have two WhatsApp running on this phone and this is MI 10T Pro. I head towards the phone settings. Here I scroll down until I see apps. Under apps, I see there's an option called dual apps. And you have seen that I have two instances of WhatsApp because I went ahead and tapped on WhatsApp and I created this. So I turned on dual apps here. If I want to do this for Instagram as well, so I simply have to toggle this to like on, and what will happen is that there will be now two instances of Instagram running. So if I have two Instagram accounts, I can now run those two accounts using these two instances. Well, I find this heavily useful when I'm using WhatsApp because if you are having two WhatsApp numbers, it's not possible to run two WhatsApp numbers on the same WhatsApp account. So you need to have two WhatsApp accounts. Likewise for Facebook. So you can simply go ahead and toggle this to on and you will see that you will get two instances of Facebook. Now what will happen is, like, if you see, you will have the dual app coming in with a special icon reflecting next to it. So if I have the normal WhatsApp, I will now have dual WhatsApp with this dual icon appearing next to it. Well, the process remains absolutely same. You will have to go ahead and like instantiate this account. You will have to set it up like you normally do with your original account. That's all like remains the same. But this is how you would set up dual apps on an MI device. The process is pretty much similar for different phones. We will see how we can do it on a OnePlus or a Samsung or a Redmi. Well, that's all for future tutorials. I hope that you find today's tutorial interesting, and in case you're using a MI phone, maybe you can use these features to now set up your dual WhatsApp or Instagram or Facebook, whatever. So if you find all this useful, kindly consider subscribing. Please share this with your friends and family. Also, please let me know like how you find this tutorial using the comment section. And that's all. I hope you find all of this useful. Until next time, it's me Amlan signing off. Thank you.